Understood? Yeah.
Yes,
From
sir.
here,
Okay, sir.
computer-aided manufacturing, it makes use of computer to plan, control, manage the operations of manufacturing plant. Okay. I told you same thing. Definition of computer-aided manufacturing, it makes use of computers to plan, control, and manage the operations of manufacturing plant. So that CNC is a part of CAM. Okay. It is a kind of computer-aided manufacturing. So in which that program of instructions will be written and is controlled by control unit and tells the and convert the mechanical actions of the machine tools and product is being produced. So that's why it consists of program of instruction, a detailed step-by-step set of program of instructions written on a computer system and which transfer to the control unit and the control unit convert into the machine tool actions and where machine tool perform the useful work. This is your computer numerical control, which is a part of computer-aided manufacturing. One of the activity of computer-aided manufacturing. CNC is one of the activity of computer-aided manufacturing. So what are basic components of CNC? So computer, control unit, machine tool, I told you. So having the software to write the program of instruction. Okay. Okay. And control unit is the electronics and hardware unit which convert the program of instruction into machine tool action. I told you. A machine tool is that a tool which performs the useful work. These are the main basic components of CNC. So a software is written in a computer. Generally, the alphanumerical code. Generally, FANUC or Sinmaric and Hinmaric coding is software used to write this. Generally written in G and M codes. Okay, so that will be computer is used to write the program, and control unit is an electronic hardware unit which converts the program of instruction written on a computer into machine tool actions. And machine tool is the third component which tools perform the useful work. There are two types of programming. One is manual part programming, that is MPP, which is written, I told you, G and M codes. Computer assisted part programming, CAPP, which is written in simple English level language. So examples are APT, Adapt, Synturn, so many languages are there. Automated programming tools, adoption of the APT, Synturn, Extern, so many softwares are there in which widely used is APT. Now, in our lab, there are two machines are there, CNC lathe and CNC milling machine. CNC lathe is also called as CNC turning machine. How the MPP is written. Okay. Then APT is also we have to discuss in today's class. So there are three steps in writing the programs. One is start of the program. Next is part of the program. End of the program. Beginning is start of the program you have to write down. End you have to write down end of the program, and middle you have to write down main part program. So start of the program, these are the five steps you have to use. Four steps. G21, G98. So I told you the dimensions in mm mod, and G98 is wherever the feed is used, that is mm per minute. Okay. G28 U0 W0 means it is machine 0. Wherever the cutting tool is there, that will go back to the home 0. And M03 is spindle start rotation in the clockwise direction. You see from the left hand side of the tool, and SC is given as the speed, and RPM is given. Here RPM value is given. And another fourth statement, okay, M06 a tool change, and T then followed by number is given. So that number is indicates the tool number in the turret. That tool will be in action. Okay. So these are the four statements are used in start of the program. I'll repeat here. G21 means all the dimensions on the workpiece used in mm mod. Okay, and the motion of the cutting tool, whatever it may be, that is also in mm mod. And G98 is feed, wherever the feed you are using, that will be considered as a mm per minute. If you use the G20, G98, that will be G20 in inches mod, and the feed will be in inch per minute. So since here G21 is used, that is an mm mod, so feed is also mm per minute. And G28 U0 W0. G28 is home 0. Home 0 portion is U0 W0 because there are V0 is not there because lathe is a two-axis machine. U with respect to X, W with respect to Z. So wherever the cutting tool is there, we will go back to the home 0. M03 spindle start rotation clockwise. I will say that it is clockwise. If you see from the machine left hand side, that your spindle, that check rotates the clockwise direction. And that which RPM it is rotates, that is indicated by S, then followed by the RPM value. Then M06 tool change. and then followed by T and the number of the tool. So that tool number which is there in the tool turret, that will be in action with this statement. So these are the 4 statements used in the start of the program. Then you have to main part program you have to write down. Again, end of the program, these 3 common statements used. These 4 common statements for the start of the program. Part program is differed from program machine to machine or workpiece to workpiece. And end of the program again common G28 U0 W0. After completing that part program, again you go back to the home 0. M05 is nothing but spindle stop, and M30 is the program stop and rewind. So for the machine which you are using in our CAD CAM lab, there are 2 machines, where one is lathe and another is milling. CNC lathe specification is given here. So I told you the final controller software used in our machine. Other control units are, I told you, Sinmatic and Hinmatic. Generally, Sinmatic is used by Siemens. Hinmatic is used by the HMT. I think it is shared. It is audible. Srikanth?
Yes, sir.
Navnita?
Yes, sir.
Swati?
Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Swati joined. Huh? Swati, Lokesh, have they joined?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Swati did.
Hmm? Eight means 6. Who are there? 6. Srikanth, Arvind, Navnita, Arundip, Lokesh, Vamshi, Srikanth. So, Lokesh has joined.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I told you CNC lathe, which is our CAD CAM lab, a small CNC lathe is there is cost of 5.5 lakh, and controller is Fanuc controller for our machine. Other controllers are Sinmatic and Hinmatic. Okay. Sinmatic developed by Siemens, whereas Hinmatic developed by HMT. So I told you that there are this motion control code or preparatory code. There are 100 codes, G00 to G99. Similarly, machine control code like spindle on, spindle off, coolant on, coolant off, tool change, door open, door close. For that, we use the miscellaneous code M. Again, the M is also having 100 codes, M00 to M99. So our specification of the machine is maximum we can use that RPM 3000. Okay, it is for our machine. If you go for the commercial machine, it will be 30,000 also for a lathe. Okay, and maximum feed rate for our machine is 80 mm per minute. We should not go beyond this feed rate. Means for 1 minute it will move 80 mm. That is a rapid feed rate. Okay, X travel means X maximum distance it can travel along the x-axis. I told you parallel to x of the workpiece, because the workpiece rotates in the chuck in lathe. So this is parallel to the axis of the workpiece is called Z. Perpendicular to the axis of the workpiece is called as X. Okay, X travel is 80 mm. In this travel it is maximum 80 mm, and in this travel it is cutting tool, because workpiece will not be moved. Workpiece rotates in chuck, it will not move. Only cutting tool will move. Cutting tool is moving 80 mm, 0 to 80 mm in X travel, and Z travel it is 180 mm. Number of tool turrets used is generally in our manual machine it is only 4 what is called as tool post. We can keep maximum of 4 tools, but in your CNC machine you can have number of tools, 8 to 100 tools also. For our machine it is 8 tools are there. In turret, the 4 tools external, 4 internal tools. Generally 1357 odd numbers given for the internal, 2468 is given as the internal operations. The maximum dia of the workpiece we can locate into the chuck is 32 mm. Maximum length of the workpiece we can accommodate in the chuck is 120 mm. So 120 mm dia by 120 mm length by 32 dia by 120 mm length. Maximum size of workpiece we can insert in the chuck. The depth of the cut you can give. You can go maximum up to 1.5. Generally, we use 0.1, 0.2 depth of cut. Maximum spindle's power is 1 HP, 735 watts. And RPM for rough cutting, I told you, is 1200 to 1500 RPM. For finishing operation, 1800 to 2000 RPM. For thread cutting, 500 to 600. So if it is thread cutting speed is completely reduced to 500 to 600. For the rough operation 1200. For the finishing operation, you have to increase the speed. I told you maximum speed we can go up to the 3000. So we can use this range 500 to 600. For drilling operation, we can use the 1000 to 1200. Feed rate for the roughing operation is feed rate 60 to 80 mm. Feed rate depth of cut is 0.1 to 1.5. I told you G code is preparatory code or motion code. M is called as miscellaneous code or machine control code. S is given as these are the codes. M code, G codes. S is the spindle RPM. F is the feed rate mm per minute. X is the travel of the tool in transfer direction, that is normal to the axis of the workpiece. Z is the travel of the tool along the axis of the workpiece. In this direction, Z motion. In this direction, X motion. N is the block number or instruction number. U is the increment in X direction. W is the increment in Z direction. So U with respect to X, W with respect to Z. There is no V because your lathe is a two-axis machine, X and Z only. No V. T is a tool functions. I told you 4 external tools, 1, 3, 5, 7 odd numbers for the external operations like plane turning, taper turning, external threading, external chamfering, external gluing. Okay, all these kind of operations can be used for the external tools. 1, 3, 5, 7 internal tools like drilling, boring, counter boring. Okay, all this kind of internal operation we use this internal tools located in the 2, 4, 6 side, that is even number. So then some of the G codes I told you, G codes. G codes is G00 rapid traverse, G01 is linear travel, G02 is circular motion clockwise, G03 is circular motion counterclockwise, and G04 is dwell. Okay. G0 is rapid traverse. I told you rapid traverse means maximum feed rate it will move. Generally 80. Maximum feed rate is 80. Is given here. You can see this. Maximum feed rate is 80 mm per minute. With that feed rate, it will move if you use the G00 code. G01 is linear travel, either horizontally, vertically, or in straight line motion, any straight line motion, inclined straight line. With a given feed rate, you have to use the G01. If you go in the clockwise direction, tool circular motion clockwise, the tool is moving like this in the circular clockwise motion. This is G02 use. So tool is moving from left to right in clockwise, anti-clockwise, circular motion. Z03 is used. Z04 is dwell because cutting tool will be stopped for some time. Time will be given. With that, it will be stopped for while according to time is given for the G04 code. G90 is your main turning cycle. G94 facing cycle. G94 turning cycle means you have to reduce the diameter along the length, and you have to reduce the length along the face. For that, you have to use the G94 cycle. And I told you G21 is MM mod, G28 return to home position, UVW, U0, W0, U0, V0, W0. Okay. And Z98 is speed for mm per minute. I told you if it is mm mod, it will be in mm per minute. If it is an inch mod, it is inch per minute. Mainly, these are the two very important cycles. Finishing cycle